Gnosis Pay Card Honest Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Gnosis Pay Card is a crypto-based payment card, but most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto cards have high hidden fees. The surprising truth is that Gnosis Pay Card pricing is simple and competitive for both casual and frequent users. There's usually a one-time issuance fee of around. You won't believe how convenient it is. The card allows you to spend multiple cryptocurrencies directly, with real-time conversion to local currency at point of sale. Monthly maintenance fees are minimal, often waived if certain usage criteria are met. Transaction fees can range from 0.5% to 1% for crypto to fiat conversions, which is comparable to or lower than many traditional crypto cards. Premium versions may offer additional benefits like cashback, higher spending limits, or priority support. Here's a tip: most people get this wrong by focusing only on the upfront fee. Consider the overall savings from seamless crypto spending, lower conversion costs and convenience, which can outweigh small monthly charges. In conclusion, Gnosis Pay Card pricing is clear and cost-effective. By understanding the fees, usage limits and benefits, you go from zero to pro in managing crypto payments for everyday spending, maximizing both convenience and value.